I've got my Lowrance set up and get some noise on the downscan. So if I go over here to downscan, and it happens when my trolling motor is on. See if it'll do it right now. Yeah, of course it wouldn't do it. Or what I think is going wrong. It's not showing it now. So either one of two things is going on, or both. Is I need a good ground. And right now it's not grounded from the power side. There is a ground, but I need to find another ground. The other thing is I have this routed through the pedal, through this cable. What my real theory is this is inducing a voltage into the cable. So it needs to really route up the shaft, and maybe, you know, maybe I've got to look at how that goes, but maybe over here or something, and it should eliminate that. So that's one theory I got. Yeah, I'm not sure. When I get it set down on the ground, I could probably leave this together and check it. Alright, maybe that's the key. So let's see what it is now. It's saying 4 feet. Just make sure I'm not gonna hit anything. All right, you can start to see it now. I'll let it run for a few minutes. See this interference? That's what I'm talking about. So you can see that now, hopefully. See all that interference on the bottom. So I think what we need to do is take all these tie wraps off. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see what happens. Now the interference is gone. So, what I need to do is maybe figure out the best way to route this. So really the only way is to maybe up here, you could take a couple of tie wraps and then I could do something like down here. Alright, so here's what I did. So I have my, I have my transducer. It's mounted here and it comes up through here. And I have it right now, I got it routed up underneath here, and I think that's fine. I don't really like that edge, so I may pull this back a little bit and route it up on top. It's probably what's going to happen, but I have these tie wraps, and then I've got the cable right now just coming down through here, and I got some tie wraps on it. So no more noise. And I showed that earlier, but just so you can see it. Just ran it for a few minutes, and maybe down here there's a little noise. There's a little there, but it's nothing like what it was. This honestly might have been to the end of the track. Yeah, it is. So there was a little bit maybe there, but other than that, there's no noise. So I'll run it again. Alright, so I just ran that. Maybe just a little bit of noise, but nothing like it was. So there's the key for you. If you got noise on your trolling motor, especially these 4-tracks, 36 volts going up to the head, going down the shaft, you're fine because you got the metal shaft. So the voltage is being induced even past this plastic cover into your transducer is quite a bit. So it's basically a big speaker down there, and so you got DC voltage. Yeah, so we have this all the time on audio. If you got any kind of DC voltage on a leg or something, it's going to be noisy on the ground. There you go.
I used to hear